What's going on, guys? Anders here. Welcome to the vlog number 9 of the channel. Today is gonna be amazing because I'm gonna be upgrading my red eyes PC. Actually, this is the red eyes, the other one is blue eyes. The reason I call them like that is because the fans have RGB color and looks amazing, like a freaking eyes look into you when you turn on the computer. So without further ado, let's get started. So for those who follow me on social media, may notice that I've been posting a lot of photos about my new PC case, which is the P90 case from Thermaltake. Actually, Thermaltake is helping me to build this PC because I don't want to mess up everything, because I never build water cooling and I don't really have the time to be building a new PC since I'm full of work and I barely have time to do new videos. Actually, I'm doing new videos for my new channel and I'm posting a few photos in these days about the new project. Very soon you will see the videos. And so basically today we are gonna go to Thermaltake headquarters and we are gonna pick up my PC. If you remember, this is my old case, which is the Corsair 540 Air, if I remember good. And I still have a lot of work to do. I need to take out all the cables that are inside and the hard drives. But that will be easy, and I will wait to bring first the water cooling system here, place them, look very nice, and then start to put probably some LEDs also to the case, because I didn't ask Thermaltake to help me with that. Actually, I really want to shout out to them because they're being really great with me, supporting me to build this PC, and I really appreciate it. Alright guys, so for those who don't know my channel, it's the first time that you come here. I live in Taiwan. That's why I'm able to go to Thermaltake headquarters, which is based on Taiwan. Of course, Thermaltake is a Taiwanese company. And right now I just asked my taxi because will pick me up and we are gonna go, what the hell, man? We're gonna go to Thermaltake. Actually, it's pretty close to my home, which is around like 5 minutes from Thermaltake headquarters. It's really close. Actually, everything is very close in Taiwan. It's like wherever you go is always a very fast way to go. The MRT is amazing in Taiwan, by the way. Well, whatever, we're gonna wait and let's see how long take me to arrive to Thermaltake. Alright guys, we are in the taxi going out from my home. We're gonna place the chronometer to see. I said 5 minutes to arrive there. We're gonna see how long it takes us to arrive there. So we just arrived finally to Thermaltake HQ, and let me see how long it takes me to arrive here, which is my girlfriend called me and it was like 9 minutes, so it takes me 18 minutes 25 seconds to arrive to here from my home, which is not that much, like 4 times like what I said in the beginning. So regardless, I don't know if I can record when I'm shooting video when I'm inside. Let's see what happens. If they take me to shoot down the camera, I'm gonna do it. If they don't, you will see how they have like 1, 2, 3 floors. So let's try 5. Number 5, which is one of my lucky numbers actually. 5 and 7 are always following me everywhere. So let's see. I remember it's 5 or 6. The one with the okay. Still need to wait. No, elevators are kind of slow. It's coming or not? Yes. This elevator looks like kind of Star Wars. All these lights in the back. Right, so I'm waiting for the guy who is going to give me the PC. This looks Thermaltake conference. This is like the kind of lobby to you wait. They have a small office on the front, as you saw. we'll have 2 people to check. Yes, looks like they own these 3 floors are from Thermaltake. No, this one no, this is false. This is Thermaltake, the next one that I cannot show. And yeah, let's see what's next. Alright guys, so I just cut some part of the building that I cannot shoot. Rules.
Sorry.
If you remember his tally, he was on the past video of the premium TT keyboard. Am I correct?
Do you remember the name?
It's so long, man.
The X on RGB. The X on RGB.
If you want to watch the video, you can watch it here, or I don't remember in which side appears the card, but yes. So finally, my PC is ready, right?
Yes, we're going to show you something very exciting. Something that we worked on with Anders here, and hope you like it.
Yeah, man, I can't wait. I mean, I've been waiting like 1 week, man, and he just sent me like photos that I've been posting on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and it's like, oh man, I just want to see like in real, man, like how it looks.
Message to Loving, is it ready? Is it ready? Is it ready? But, we rushed it for him, and it's all good.
Yeah.
Shall we turn it over?
All right.
Yeah.
Let's take a look.
Well, we're gonna. Sorry. Right. So, are you ready, Anders?
Oh man. Oh. Dude, oh shit! Oh man, and they still give me the satisfaction to remove the plastic, man. Oh shit, the foam, man. Oh, this is awesome, man. Maybe we should remove the glass just to.
Would you like to do the honors?
Oh yes, of course, man.
I'll go this way. I'll go this way. We're going to let Anders concentrate on it just in case he doesn't want to do a Linus and drop the glass.
Oh man, I really love it, dude. Let's just actually, I want to remove the foam in my phone. I prefer to don't press it on. Oh man, this is awesome. You can change the RGB here, right, manually.
Yeah, so you can cycle through different RGB colors, or you can leave it on spectrum running.
Oh, that's great, man. How about this, the water cooler and the lock and the radiator? They are customizable?
Yeah, customizable via the software. So simply just head on over to the product webpage, and then you can just download the software and then install and then adjust your RGB lighting accordingly.
Oh man, I love it, man. It's awesome. Alright, so I want to mention like what stuff from my original PC I leave, which is only the GPU, the motherboard, the RAM sticks, and the CPU. I say already CPU, right? No, I say GPU. Sorry. It's different than the CPU. Right? No, man, thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Oh man, this really good, really good. Alright, so I think it's time to take this home and just place the last part, which is all my hard drives.
Yeah, and then once that's all done, I'm sure we'll see something else from Anders and a lot more about the system. And yeah, we look forward to seeing it.
Sure, I mean, I really love this PC. Like, the PC, the first time I saw this case was on, like good was on Type A Game Show.
Yeah.
Was when I saw it, I was say, oh, I need to have this case.
It just came out.
Shit, man, I really love it. Alright, so let's back home.
Yes, carefully move it back home.
I know.
Until next time, guys.